Today we're going to make birthday noodle soup. I chose
8 dry mushrooms for my soup because 8 is the lucky number in the Chinese culture. We'll let the mushrooms soak for about half an hour and we can use the liquid for the soup too.
boil 2 eggs. Get some water to bring it to a boil and then cook the noodles.
These are the birthday noodles from my hometown. Yeah, so red thread is for good luck. When you cook that, you want to remove that thread and then put the noodles in the boiling water.
Stir the noodles with chopsticks. Boil the noodles for a minute. Remove the noodles in a bowl. Set the noodles aside.
Now put the shaved eggs in the bowl. Slice some garlic and onions for the soup. Add some celery to saute with the garlic and onion, as well as some beer that I pre-soaked earlier. Oil.
Saute the garlic and onions.
You add some pre-boiled chicken. I'm also adding the mushrooms. Saute a little bit.
Also add celery and rosemary, as well as pre-soaked wood ear into the soup.
A simple way to make the broth is just you can use chicken broth, beef, or vegetable broth, whichever broth that you like. Just bring it to a boil and then pour it to the noodles that already boiled, and then to make your noodle soup.
The birthday noodles are a bit salty, so after the broth is poured into the bowl, you can taste it and then to see if you need to add salt and adjust the flavor.
Here's the birthday noodle soup.